Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. So as you can see, we're here at Hope Island for our World Christmas activity. We're doing tubing and the weather is obviously not our friend today, but we still push through. So yes, welcome to this is what it is. Push your baby out. This is Lucas. He's all the way from where?
It's starting to, the rain is starting to die down.
Yeah. Which is good because I'm about to go show. I'm gonna go find 10 more kids.
Yes, because this is Moana.
This is Nana. Nana Patrice. Where are you running?
Look at this, guys.
Yeah, so fun. Everyone, say hi to the vlog. Who's hungry?
Who's hungry?
Come on, then, come eat. Everyone, say hi to the vlogs, YouTube. Nice.
Oh, you get money. It's because she watches it all the time.
Aloha and co.
Aloha.
Oh, pure aloha. I'm trying to act like I ate it. Sorry.
She's one of my YouTube fans here.
Yeah, so what you do is you get the life jacket. You want to make sure you have it on so you don't go drowning. And then you just put it on. It's a bit tight, but it's supposed to be.
It's alright, you're good.
It's supposed to be tight. As you can tell, it's a bit. Yeah, and then you just clip it on and bob's your uncle.
Look at these kids in the rain. So many kids. Oh.
There's a monkey in the water. A real monkey.
A real monkey? Oh my gosh. Silas is here. I'm so dead at this girl.
So this is our jet ski. One of a kind.
One of a kind?
Stay in training.
That's his jet ski.
No, my jet
Oh, you're even matching the jet ski too. You want to be on? I'll put that on YouTube. What do you want to say? Bucky, what do you want to say?
It's not mine. No, I said.
Huh?
Hi, my subscribers.
And I'll tell a YouTuber.
Guys, show us the trick. Show us the trick.
Hi, YouTube.
You guys are crazy for swimming in the rain.
I always do that.
Yeah.
I did that at my house.
Oh, so-
Is it? This is just really cool.
yeah.
The house is over there. Thanksgiving, I'm gonna move out here.
Really?
No, the action is so beautiful. Oh wait,
Oh, look at this.
okay, ready?
Bully! Bully! mother is here now. What are you doing, mother?
I'm singing.
Whoa.
Yeah, you start after them.
What was it? Let's go, Moana! Moana from Matsunui! Ambulance on standby!
So EJ's about to show us how it's done.
Yeah. But I thought
You
you...
actually competed in the 2018 Olympics. Who are you representing? The mighty New Zealand. As you can tell, he,
Wait, you're the wrong way. Is it the wrong
as you can
way?
tell, he didn't compete for that long. With his computer.
Wait, is that... It's sinking, it's sinking, it's sinking. There's water. She's so going.
I think that's what when the little kids were.
No.
Water was getting me. No, promise, because this was already in.
You gotta tilt it.
Yeah, tilt it. See,
Yeah.
his ancestors telling him how to do it.
They're telling him from the other side of the
From
island.
Matsunui.
You know what's crazy? I just found the lottery.
Whoa.
No wonder you're a handyman.
He's from
Not
the...
only can you fix cars, you fix canoes.
Bro, I'm basically Maui.
Yeah, you're definitely
Maui and...
Moana. I found this is hey.
You guys, if you hop on your canoe and you feel like you're sinking,
You're so
you have to
smart.
drain the water.
Man, you are amazing. High
You're just
five.
going home.
You're on your last chance.
You're the one that tried to kill me before this.
It's still going.
Oh, no wonder I was stuck out in the middle because I didn't know you had to drain it.
Yeah, you're basically carrying a whole nother unit.
New plane.
Oh,
Whoa, it's still going.
whoa! But you know what?
Bye, Maui. There's a lapisi now. I need to find a lapisi because there's rubbish. Still rubbish. He's such a Huh? What is going on? Oh my gosh. I have never seen.
Hi guys! Welcome back.
Welcome back. Why are you all the way down there?
Oh. I'm waiting for the jet ski.
Okay.
Yeah, it's actually nice and warm, like cold. It's cold.
Hello.
We need a life jacket. Oh my gosh,
Oh no! Little Miss Ava's here.
It's me. Hi. She's the problem. It's her.
I'm not the problem. Oh my
Ew, what's that?
Ava, show us. What is it? Jellyfish?
No, it's just yucky.
Oh my gosh.
is that your saliva?
Is that all your saliva, Ava? Oh my gosh. What's that?
It's me.
Wait, go, you girls.
It's me. Where we over there? I know we're over there. Man, I'm going on the boat. Mom, no, you're above it. You know that. Mom,
Hi, hi, Red. Oh my gosh. Hi. It's raining and we are just playing outside. What's up for us? That's tiring. Hey guys, we're out in the ocean. Let's go. We are getting out of hand right. Let's go back.
God in you we believe in. Oh, I'm grateful for the life that you're giving. For the life that you're giving. I cherish every moment. I got my daughter and my son building snow